Welcome back to my channel, Sojourners. This is your girl, Glitzy. Stay tuned. Hello, Sojourners. I hope you are all having a great day. It's been raining here for the past 3 days, and the temperature has dropped to the mid-40s, but thank God we are okay. Now, how many of my gardening friends add zucchini to their collection of vegetables? I know you are wondering why I asked that question, but if you watch this video to the end, you'll find out why. So stick around, Sojourners. You can leave your answer in the comment section below. Today, I'll be exploring the health benefits of zucchini, so come along with me. Zucchini is a versatile and nutritious vegetable packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is low in calories and high in water content. It supports hydration and weight management while promoting healthy digestion due to its fiber content. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. It helps boost immunity, improves heart health, and regulates blood pressure. Its antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, contribute to eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related diseases. So whether it is eaten raw, grilled, or added to recipes, zucchini is a delicious and beneficial addition to a healthy diet. I love zucchini. So last spring, I tried to do some succession planting with zucchini for 2 reasons. 1, the bugs tend to attack the plant in the early stages, and I often lose the whole plant after a while. Succession planting allows me to have another zucchini plant if that one is damaged. The second reason for doing succession planting is that it allows me to have zucchini throughout the year. Zucchini is so versatile that it can be consumed in many ways. Example, zucchini noodles, zucchini bread, zucchini soup, sauteed zucchini, baked zucchini, zucchini lasagna, zucchini fritters, just to name a few. One, zucchini is rich in nutrients. It is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B. 2, zucchini promotes heart health. The potassium content in zucchini helps regulate blood pressure and supports healthy heart function. Additionally, its fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels. 3, zucchini improves digestion. Its high water and fiber content promote regular bowel movements and improve overall digestive health. Zucchini boosts the immune system. The vitamins C and antioxidants in zucchini strengthen the immune system and protect it against infections and diseases. 5, zucchini supports eye health. Zucchini contains lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 6. Zucchini regulates blood sugar. Zucchini's low glycemic index and fiber content help control blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. 7. Zucchini promotes bone health. Magnesium and vitamin K in zucchini support healthy bone growth and prevent osteoporosis. 8. Zucchini reduces the risk of cancer. Antioxidants in zucchini, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, may have anti-cancer properties. 9. Zucchini supports weight management. Zucchini is low in calories and fat, making it a filling and healthy addition to weight loss diets. 10. Zucchini boosts the metabolism. Vitamins B6 in zucchini supports a healthy metabolism and energy production. Now, number 11, which is the last one on my list, is that zucchini is versatile and delicious. Zucchini can be enjoyed in various ways, as I said before, from salads and soups to stir fries and desserts. Its mild flavor and versatility make it a great addition to any meal. Now, sojourners, now my gardening friends, after you have listened to these amazing health benefits of zucchini, do you see why zucchini deserves a place on your plate? And if you have not added it to your collection of seeds for this season, are you going to try to get it in your garden? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your continued support. And if you're here for the first time, please don't leave until you touch that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will get updates when I post other videos. Sojourners, my gardening friends, love you very much. Together we make a wonderful community. Let's stick to it.